Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. As you can see, they are having a party here. I think some network event or something. So you can distinguish the sound of this microphone. It was extremely hot today. I came out one time, and evening time I decide I need another booster of fresh air, another round of fresh air. So I checked the sunset time. It's 6:47, and when I arrive here, the sun is already setting down. Okay, you will see the setting sun behind me. In any case, the sun setting down is always the most beautiful, don't you think so? Okay, let's have a walk. Just enjoy this scene. You will see the scene in front of me, will you? So this is a city park, Shoreline Park, and people are playing with these sails and the surfboards, these huge jumbo. Oh, this is not surfboard. This is a stand-up board or something. So look at this scene, right? And I actually pass by here every day. I mean, I can pass by here every day if I want, because it's just very convenient. But do you think that you have the same problem? You have the same habit when something that is close to you, when something that you can easily obtain, you can easily get, you ignore it. You do not feel the importance of visiting these kind of places. That's what happened to me. From time to time, I come here, but the truth is, if you set up your laptop, this can be your workplace. Look at it. If you set up your laptop here in the restaurant, it can be your second home, right? So we always ignore those good things that is handy, that is easy. So I am not educating anybody. I am not saying anything right or wrong. This is purely a fact that we ignore those things. And I am happy that I made a decision to come here, and the decision did not come easy. I was thinking of going to a place I have never been, in the mountains, so that I can see the sun setting down. And whoa, look at it. This is beautiful. Look at it. I can feel the happiness he has. Oh. So I am not trying to persuade anybody, teaching anybody, and I am just happy that I made the decision to come here, because I want to go to another shop, and I need to buy some eggs and avocado and all these things, and this is just nearby. So I chose the easiest route to go to to come here so that later on I can go shopping easily. You know, when you go to nature, when you go outside, it never disappoints you. It never disappoints. Nature never disappoints. Just coming out with water or without water in those big, vast land, it will be beautiful. In front of water, it will be beautiful. Anywhere, any of these little things appear on the screen could be quite fascinating and interesting. Oh, look at this, how pretty. Wow. Oh, that's a very tasty aesthetic. That's a very tasty, fun and interesting style. Here there is some trees and the movement of people having fun. Don't you think it's so lively and so family and so easy and so fulfilling? I just like to see it. You know, in my neighborhood, in my own neighborhood, I pass by a park to go to YMCA, to go to the swimming pool, and during weekdays I pass by, I will see people busy going to work. Very purposeful and have a goal, have a meaning, have something to do, and which is very, very confirming and fulfilling. And sometimes I see people just sit on the grass. For example, there was one day on the weekend, or sometimes I go to swim in the evening, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. It's evening time. I see someone sitting under the tree, sometimes in the shade, sometimes away from the shade, and just sitting there. And I felt a humongous feeling in myself, and I feel that person is so rich, and you get that feeling, right? There is no worries, there is no fancy place. I do not need to go to fancy place. I do not need to go to something more gigantic, more overwhelming, or more splendid. Just a tree and sitting there. And I do not go to far away place, taking airplane, drive 20 hours. No, it's just in my own neighborhood. Those people must be the same as you and I, same as myself. It's a 5 minutes walk to the park, and totally released, freed, liberated themselves from the daily chaos, from the daily work, family, relationship, and they are just by themselves, and be a complete person and make a whole, one complete whole by one individual person. And that feeling, I feel so rich, so empowering. It's just so, look at this. This is nothing less fantastic than the big, humongous, famous places, right? It offers just the same fascination if you decide to be fascinated. Oh, I like to see people enjoying their life. And there was another time I saw a couple sitting there, and they sit on the lap, one by another, and the one person sitting down, the other person just put hand on the shoulder, and it's just the most common, usual, and most warming gesture. I just feel it's we should all do that, right? Will you promise that you and your other person, no matter it's a man, a woman, a guy, or your pet, enjoy some of the union time, not only individual alone time, but also some union time. Oh, this is, we cannot zoom in. Oh, the lighting is not enough, so the camera has some time to zoom in. Okay, now we are good. We lost ourselves. This is, oh, look at it. It feels so opening, so opening. I can breathe. I can completely open up my heart. This is just 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's the most enriching 15 minutes. Now I'm going to do my errand, to run my errand and go shopping. To buy milk, to buy egg, to buy sugar, to buy salad, to buy avocado, to buy this and that. Everyday life is fun, right? Especially when your family write a note. Oh, you need egg, you need coconut water, you need a carrot, you need onion, you need potato. Oh, sorry, I released all our secret menu. That is it. Listen to the birds. Listen to my feet. the airplane is too loud. Okay, that's about it. So I made an effort because there is nobody, there is nothing, and it's not too hot, there is no more sunshine. It's just the perfect timing for holding my little mic. And it's green and it's working, I think. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goo, goo, bye, bye. Oh, the golden sunshine, the last drop of golden sunshine on my face. Bye bye.